Hello friends, welcome to the MOOCs on Entrepreneurship Development. We are into the second module of this MOOCs, and this module is on the facilities and the incentives from the national, state and district level agencies. So, we are into the part C of this specific module, and this is on the facilities and the incentives from the national level agencies. This is the entire spectrum of different agencies working at different levels, at the federal level or at the national level, at the state level and at the district and other levels. So, we shall be discussing two agencies, namely the Khadi and the Village Industries Commission, and then the National Institute of under the Ministry of MSME, which is Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises under the national category. Now, the first is the Khadi and the Village Industries Commission or the KVIC. This is working at the national level or at the federal level. In fact, in the states we have the KVIBs, which is Khadi and the Village Industries Boards, and they come under the KVIC, which is at the central level. Now, the question is what is a Khadi? In fact, many times I ask my students in the classroom what is a Khadi, and they are not able to properly explain. They say, sir, it is something like a cotton, but then I say Khadi is a silk also. So, they have a little confusion what is a Khadi. Actually, Khadi is any cloth which is basically hand woven or which is made on the hand looms. So, that is known as a Khadi. Any cloth which is made on the power looms which use the electrical power, so that is not a Khadi. That is a major distinction between a Khadi and the other clothes. And similarly, we have the village industries. So, now what are the village industries? The industries which can be set up in a village, that is very obvious. But the question is what is a village? Again the students are not able to properly answer what is a village. You see, if you see the definition of the village as per this this category basically, they say that any place which is outside the municipal limits of a city. So, that area can be considered as a village from the point of view of the village industries. Now, let us talk of this KVIC. The broad objectives that the KVIC has set before it are: first is the social objective of providing employment. The basic purpose is that the people in the rural areas, villages basically, they should get the employment. So, if you set up the industries over there, if you set up the businesses over there, so they will generate employment for those people. So, that is one of the prime objective of this KVIC. The second is the economic objective of producing saleable articles. That means, you want to produce something which can be sold, something in the villages which can be sold in the market. And thirdly, the wider objective of creating self-reliance amongst the poor and building up a strong rural community spirit. The functions of the KVIC, KVIC is entrusted with the planning, promotion, organization and implementation of the programs for the development of Khadi and other village industries in the rural areas in coordination with the other agencies who are engaged in the rural development. So, KVIC builds up a reserve of raw materials and the tools for supply to the entrepreneurs, that is the rural entrepreneurs. It has created common facilities for processing of raw materials as semi finished goods. So, there are certain facilities which are common facilities. The entrepreneurs, the rural entrepreneurs, they can go over there, they can pay the necessary fee and they can get the work done from there. So, they are common for all the rural people, rural entrepreneurs. And KVIC organizes a training of the artisans and encouragement of the cooperative efforts amongst them. KVIC also helps in the sale and marketing of the Khadi and the products of village industries or the handicrafts. You must have seen in the cities also there are certain Khadi emporiums or Khadi outlets basically. So, that is basically to provide a marketing sort of a support to the Khadi and the village industries products. The KVIC also ensures the genuineness of the products and they set standards of the quality, which is very important. KVIC is also entrusted with the responsibility of encouraging and promoting research in the production techniques and equipments used in the khadi and the village industry sector. KVIC is also given the task of providing financial assistance to the institutions and the individuals for development and operation of khadi and the village industries, and guiding them through the supply of designs, prototypes and other technical information. Now, let us go to the next agency working at the national level. The name is NIMSME, that is the National Institute of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. It is in Hyderabad in Yusufgoda. In fact, the original name was the SIET, which was a Small Industries Extension Training, and then it became NISIET NISIET, that is the National Institute of Small Industries Extension Training. But then with the renaming of this MSME in 2006, so the name got changed. Now it is the NIMSME. This institute conducts specialized need based training programs, workshops and seminars in tune with the changing policy and the economic situations. So, depending on the requirement of the entrepreneurs, the potential entrepreneurs, they conduct a lot of training programs, wherein the people they can come and join those training programs. They conduct seminars, workshops, so that they can have a common platform for all these people to come and share the experiences with other people also. This institute has broken geographical barriers by extending its expertise and services to other developing and developed nations. So, they have gone even beyond the boundaries of the country, and they are giving assistance, they are providing training to the people from the other countries as well. This institute has linkages with several international agencies also, and it also conducts research and consultancy studies. So, I think that is all for this specific video. Only we have taken up two only institutions in this specific video. So, thank you so much.